Dang. Stage fatality.
Shorty wanna ball with the chick. Money sitting tall, y'all mean what?
What's up, y'all? It's your boy FAMOXXL coming to you live with another banger. Going out with another one. I'm excited for this one, bro. I tried different people to do Mortal Kombat, and let's be honest, Melina one wasn't that far. So, Rain, you better turn up, bro. I seen this character, bro. I'm like, whoa, hold on. Woo! This man right here, I don't know who he is personally, but his name Inferno. You should check him out on his channel. Bruh, he was going crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. I ain't never seen this. So we just gonna hop in the video and do this thing, you feel me? Let's see that action, bruh. Let's see the action. Oh, already loading up. Okay, my fault then. You ready? Nah, RoboCop, bro. We already did movie references on you. You finna be on the next movie with this guy.
Okay, let's go. You betrayed.
What the heck?
Given the chance, I would have betrayed her too.
For real?
You are not to be trusted. Round one.
That wasn't funny. I'm sorry. No cuss words. Bro, hold on. Stupid. Oh my gosh, nope. Bro.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Oh, bro. Bro, that man be in here like. Bro, this man Inferno funny, bro. Oh, this man sit him down, bro. Sit him down, bro. Ooh. Yo, stop. Chill out, bro. Oh.
This is my reign. Rain wins. Flawless victory.
Cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Like the video right now, please.
Hello, mother. Outwell follows Katana.
No cuss words, buddy. Wait, what did he say?
Outwell follows Katana, not you.
I am the god, AG.
Yet you do nothing to earn our faith.
Round
Dang, look at the stage. Whoa, hold on. You look a little bit demonic. Dang, chill out, bro. Chill out. Bro, his outfit is fire too, bro. Dang, he just ripped. Hit the red button, the red thing. Yes, subscribe right now. Turn up.
Round two. Fight.
Y'all talking about this man. Y'all talking about this man Rain ain't fire, bro. This man fire, bro. Not back in the corner.
Rain.
No. 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 Oh, my man, scored. Oh no, not no. The battle of.
What do you want, Rain? For you to aid in my ascension. Water and hellfire don't mix.
I was just talking about that. I was just talking about that, bro. Yo, hold on. Yo, stop. Chill out, bro. Chill out, man. No.
That was easy.
He is whooping this man tail, bruh.
Round 2. Fight.
This man inferno, bruh.
Get over here!
Stop. Man, come on. Yeah, my boy Scorpion gotta get them licks in, bro. Everybody else didn't get nothing in.
Finish him.
I know you want that mercy. Go ahead.
Mercy.
Yep, please do so. Please don't do him like that. Oh, I just realized why I just asked for him to... No, chill out.
The storm is over. Rain wins.
Y'all can't tell me the man not fine sitting on the chair like that, bro. I would have picked him for Melina, but I couldn't. I could not. You know why? Because I already did the reaction. I was trying to do it today, but... Man, Melina go outside. I'm sorry, bro. She go outside. She go outside. Not himself.
I have a twin. Yet another of father's lies is revealed. Will the deception never end? Round 1. Fight!
Wow, for real? His dad? Dang, chill out, man. Y'all gonna have to read that for me, bro. Y'all gonna have to read that for me. I wasn't able to read the whole thing. Homie.
I will finish.
How does he keep flawless in everybody, bro?
Fight!
Yo. Yo. He is exposed this man. Expose him, bro. Expose him. He got the real one. Oh, no. He exposed him, bro. No. Stop playing, bro. Bro, mercy, bro. Oh, damn.
Kobe!
I respect you, bro. I respect you. This man nice, y'all. This man nice, y'all. He's a maniac. He's a psychopath, bro. No cap. No matches, no rounds lost. He never lost a round, bro. Okay, then.
You do not respect me.
You are of the streets. I am of the heavens.
I will bleed out your ego.
Round 1. Fight.
Oh, no. And she got that demonic symbol on that thing. Expose her, bro. Yo, stop.
We meet again.
This man nice, bro.
Round 2. Fight.
Dang. Stage fatality. Oh.